Join me as I challenge myself to control 5 LED lights with an Arduino and create some awesome RGB effects using just an IR remote. Let's get started. Today, we're going to explore how to use an Arduino to control 5 LED lights and an RGB LED using an IR remote control. This project combines creativity with technical skill, making it a perfect DIY project for Arduino enthusiasts. When it comes to controlling multiple LEDs and an RGB LED with an IR remote, things can get tricky. You need to decode IR signals accurately, manage power for multiple LEDs, and ensure each color of the RGB LED is controlled properly. One wrong move, and your LEDs won't behave as expected. But don't worry, we'll break this down step by step. Let's start with the components we'll need for this project. We'll use an Arduino Uno 5 LEDs, white, yellow, red, blue, green. RGB LED resistors, a breadboard, an IR receiver module, and an IR remote control. Now for the wiring. Connect the IR receiver to the Arduino's D11 for signal, 5V for VCC, and GND. Each LED will connect to a separate digital pin, D2, D3, D4, D5, and D6. For the RGB LED, connect the red pin to D9, green to D10, and blue to D12. Ensure you add a resistor for each LED to prevent overheating. Now let's program the Arduino. We'll use the iRemote library to decode signals from the remote. Each button press will correspond to an LED action or an RGB effect. The code maps specific remote button presses to control the 5 LEDs and RGB LED. For example, button 1 turns on the white LED. Let's see it in action. Each button controls a specific LED or changes the RGB LED's color. With just a press, you can create dynamic lighting effects and bring this project to life. See it in action.